Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna shoot Lady Raga unboxing. वैसे unboxing तो नहीं रही है because I shot the unboxing video yesterday and और I realized जब मैं edit करने लगी कि my mic is not working, so I have to like reshoot everything. So it's not unboxing, but I will be showing you ki what I got in my Lady Raga bag. So this was the box. So it doesn't have any proper bag this time, but मैं products आपको ज़रूर बताऊँगी. And this is the product list I have and their prices. So जो सबसे पहले मुझे product दिखा वो था इस pouch में. It's a golden pouch और उसमें से निकला ये. This is a Fuchsia Coffee Cream Smoothing Face and Body Scrub. And Fuchsia is a nice brand. I have used their products in the past. और ये अच्छा brand है, अच्छे products होते हैं इनके. And yeah, so this is their coffee scrub. I don't use scrubs anymore on my face. I prefer to use chemical exfoliant over scrub on regular basis. I only use scrubs जब मैं proper facial करती हूँ घर पे. Otherwise I don't use scrub on daily basis या फिर weekly basis पे. But on body I am very interested to use scrubs because in the past I have used scrubs. So definitely this is going to be in my bathroom and I'm gonna use it as a body scrub. और ये retail करता है 300 rupees का. And here in the product list it was written that I will be getting Fuchsia Pomegranate Pearl Face and Body Exfoliant Scrub, but instead I got the coffee one. So I think that's like just like a printing mistake or error, whatever you want to call it. Let's come on to the next product. So the next thing which got me like my attention was this thing. This is Air Glance Room Air Freshener, and the fragrance I have is Expression. और जो fragrance है, it is very citrusy, very fruity. Love it. I'm gonna definitely use whenever मुझे feel होगा कि हाँ I need some room freshener here at my place. So really nice. I really love the fragrance. और ये जो room freshener था ये है 399 rupees का, almost 400. And yeah, Kabir wants to play with this. You wanna see Kabir? Let me just show you Kabir. Ooh, Baba. See who? See who? Yes, he's grown up. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hi. Bye bye. Say bye. This lipstick, this is by the brand and it's a very pretty lipstick. The shade is really nice. It's like a pink, fuchsia pink, and the shade number is 41. This is a lead-free lipstick and it says it has velvety finish, it's 100% vegan, a smooth creamy application, stays for long, it hydrates. So I'm just gonna show you how the shade looks like. So this is the shade, really pretty shade. I'm just gonna swatch it here. This is the shade, nice shade. Next is the mask. This is Monsub's Golden Eye Mask. I do have these और मैंने past में use भी किए हैं. But the bad thing is that इसकी expiration date है March, so I really have to use this month only. But I will definitely use it. I don't want to waste it. Yeah. So this is that, and this one retails for 100 rupees. They are so pretty. They are black metal earrings, and this is how they look like. They're so pretty and unique. Love it. I'm definitely gonna style them with some kurti or some outfit. Okay, this is Khadi Natural Personal Sanitizer Kit. So पहले तो मैं सोचने लगी कि what it is exactly, but I have a face wash in here, a hand wash in here, a hand sanitizer in here, and a moisturizing gel. So it's a travel kit. So इसमें 4 तरह के अलग products हैं, which is really nice. I think this is a very thoughtful kit जो कि बनाई है, because आजकल के माहौल में we need these things, you know, sanitizer, face wash, and hand wash, etc. So it's a very good travel kit. अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, just put this in your bag and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about carrying a separate sanitizer or a separate face wash, separate hand wash. Yeah. So I really like the kit, and the price of the kit is 150 rupees, which is again very genuine, and I liked it. So those were 6 things which I got in this time's Lady Raga bag. Kit, lipstick, face and body scrub, a pair of earrings, which I loved. You will definitely see me wearing these in my coming videos. An eye mask, so, and also the air freshener. Kavya is playing with it. Yeah, so these were the 6 things I got in this Lady Raga bag. I will be mentioning all the details about the bag, about the Lady Raga bag in the description box. आप जाके check कर सकते हैं, and you can subscribe it for yourself if you want. This little guy, oh my god! Give Mama Kichi. Give Mama Kichi. Okay, give Mama Kichi. Oh, he also loved the earrings. Give Mama Kichi. No Kichi? Okay. So I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care. Kabir, say bye. Bye bye.